What's up, word gang? She said the name is Bauer.
Bauer.
Bauer is B-A-U-E-R.
Bauer.
Brewer?
It ain't Brewer. It's Bauer.
Bauer. She said it's called Bauer, but this is an impact drill. Bought this from Harbor Freight today, and I'm gonna be unboxing it today. Yeah, a little quick video of an unboxing of it. See what come with it. It said it come with a drill. Look, got a little case.
A battery in a case.
Oh, is it inside the case?
That's cool.
Okay, that make you feel special.
That's because you can keep it in there in case you need to travel with it. That's fire.
Put it in there. Let's see what we got in here. Come on now.
Turn it around. Is it labeled on the other side? Oh, okay.
Get me right then. Oh, we do got a battery to it.
Yeah.
There goes the impact drill, because you know I need that for what I'm about to do. Get in there. Hopefully I'll never need you again. Got 2 little manuals. That should be special.
You remember last time you said that?
That's what I said.
You needed the manual last time.
Yeah, I ain't get the manual last Tuesday. Got the little battery to come with it.
Mm-hmm.
This is the charger, I believe.
And that's it.
And that's it. What's this right here? I'm about to sneeze, so y'all brace yourself. Bless me. I know it sounds like a
That's
cough.
if you want to adapt it to the wall. Oh no, that's if you want to carry it on the belt thing, the tool belt.
This is this one? Tool
Yeah.
belt holder?
Yeah, I think it's for a tool belt. Let's see. Don't ask me. I know nothing about it.
And we got 2 little bits.
Maybe.
Flathead bit and a Phillips bit. And take those little boxes out there because you ain't using those no more. We're gonna keep the manuals though. Come on, let's keep the manuals, T-Light, just in case. For the raggedy. And that's the charger right here. That's what comes inside the box.
It's what, 70 bucks?
70. We caught it on sale. Actually, 100 or something bucks. We caught it on sale for 70.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why ain't nobody bought it either. Let's see if it comes with some juice on it. It's a 20 volt impact. That little thing go right here. That little, what's it called? No, no.
This, I think it's for like a
Yeah,
tool
it's for your
belt.
belt.
Tool
Yeah, it's
belt.
for your tool belt. You pop it on your belt.
That was
put
an
it in.
educated guess.
Yeah, pop it right there. I would put it on. I'll put it on later. Let's see if it works.
Or if you want to hook it to the wall too.
Look at that.
Oh, it has the little lights on the front of it. That's cool.
Okay. It sounds strong too, though. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's strong. Then you put your little chuck on. You pull it forward.
I know how to do it.
I'm just letting them know. We know you know how to do it, Christine. Christine, I know how to do it.
Leave in the comment if you know how to work a drill. Thumbs up if you do. Thumbs down if you've never used
If
the
you
drill.
never used the impact drill,
Impact drill to drill is the same thing.
no, it's not.
It's still the same. You put
I'm
the
just
little
playing.
bits on the
I'm
thing.
just fooling. Let me get one of those bits so we can show them action. Look, listen, my assistant is feeling a little angry.
I'm hangry.
She needs a Snickers.
A snack.
She a little hangry right now.
I prefer Twix actually.
We got one of these little. Let's put one of those little bits in there.
You going fishing today?
Don't play to hate on my hat. Boom, there we go. Look.
Mm-hmm.
Stinks. Hope that don't mean it's cheap. Setting off a little stink. That's probably because it's new. But yeah. And that's pretty much it, baby. You come with a drill
Mm-hmm.
and
And the battery
battery
and the charger.
and the charger. And for those who want to know how it goes on the charger, it goes backwards. Pop it in, plug in your charger, and it'll let you know right there.
I think that's self-explanatory too.
Some people don't know that. Get it off.
I'm just trolling him because he's been trolling me all
And
day.
you release it. Well, that's it for that unboxing. Quick little unboxing video of the Bauer
Bauer
20 volt
lithium.
Hypermax lithium impact driver drill kit. Bam.
It's cool.
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 And, That
Cool.
being said, I'm gonna slide on up out of here because I got some other things to do. You know, I'm working on the Hellcat right now, and I figured I'd let y'all see that. You know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
Y'all stay positive, stay up. And with that being said, it's your boy, T-Light. Oh yeah, big shout out to what? Werewolf Gang. Ow! Get him out this piece. GD.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what